shark in the water. We're totally safe though from the shark. But just to get extra safe, we're gonna get behind these gasoline tanks.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's like me. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this now in this out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off shot. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone for us?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
It
was on vibrate. Sure, Trace does. I just can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting. I'm gonna release it all rolled up. Grab your truck. I need you and nothing better than war.
Through Hogwarts. Into the Harry Potter ride, I think this is. I don't know how many of you are fans of Harry Potter. I am not so much, but the roller coaster that they have here seems pretty interesting. Let's see how long is the waiting on this one.
20 minutes later.
Oh, that's what the ride looks like over there.
Okay guys, so we actually just spent the whole day at Universal Studios Hollywood, which is in Los Angeles, and it was a beautiful day. I must tell you that I have been to this place with my family 22 years ago in 1998, and now this is the second time I'm actually coming here with Ankita. It's first time for her, but I'm sure she enjoyed this experience too. It's an amazing place to visit, especially if you haven't been here, or if you have kids, family. You should come in here. It's fascinating to see how they shoot, all the Hollywood movies, web series, web shows, different kind of just talk shows in general, all kinds of things that we see on TV, and then the special effects that go into it, and then how they shoot a particular scene, how they use animals as actors, how they train the animals. It's amazing. It's a nice place to come here if you guys haven't. In fact, in the last 6 months, we were fortunate enough to visit Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida, and now this the Universal Studios in Hollywood. So but I think I like this a little bit better, but that's my personal experience. So make sure you guys definitely come to Universal Studios at least once, in your lifetime, and especially if you have kids, you should make a visit.